Seeing a radar sensor blocked warning light up your dash in the middle of a snowstorm and your cruise control suddenly quits? Don't worry, this is almost never a broken part. That warning simply means snow, slush, or road grime is physically covering the radar sensor on the front of your car, and the fix is simple. Your car's advanced safety systems, things like adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking, rely on a forward-facing millimeter-wave radar. This small, crucial sensor is usually hidden right behind the large brand emblem on your grille, or sometimes tucked into the lower bumper area. While you're driving in bad weather, wet snow and slush get kicked up by other cars, especially big trucks, and it packs right onto this exact spot. This heavy, wet buildup absorbs or scrambles the radar waves, making the signal too weak or messy for the car's computer to trust. When that signal quality drops below a safe level, the engine control unit makes a smart call. Instead of guessing and maybe braking when it shouldn't, or failing to see a car ahead, it safely disables any system that needs that radar signal. This is a built-in safety feature, not a malfunction. So what's the fix? The only reliable fix is to physically clear it. First, and this is the most important step, find a safe place to pull over, completely out of the flow of traffic. Do not try to clear this while the car is moving or even at a stoplight. Once you're safely parked with your hazard lights on, walk to the front of your vehicle. Locate the smooth plastic panel on the grille or bumper where the sensor lives. Now, gently clear away all the packed-on ice and slush. A soft snow brush, a microfiber cloth, or even a soft-gloved hand will work just fine. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. The key is to be gentle. Never, ever use a hard plastic ice scraper or a sharp tool on this panel. Scratching the protective cover can permanently interfere with the radar's performance. And don't hit or smack the sensor area to break the ice free. A hard impact can easily knock the sensitive radar unit out of alignment, and fixing that requires a costly recalibration procedure at a shop. Also, don't bother turning up the cabin defroster. It won't do anything. The radar unit is on the outside of the car, and on most vehicles, it is not heated. A trip through a car wash will certainly clean it off, but that's only a temporary fix. The slush will just build up again as soon as you get back on the highway. So the best thing you can do is keep a soft brush or a cloth in your car for winter driving. That way, a quick, safe stop is all it takes to get your safety features back online and working properly.